Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna explain to you how to make a beauty guru intro using your mobile phone. This also works on an iPhone and I'm using the app KindMaster. So let's begin. Make a new file, empty project, go to media and then find your background. This is my background. It looks like this. And then go to audio, and I'm using the same jingle I used in the previous tutorial. Make sure you start at the beginning every time you import something. So let's play this. To import it, just click on the plus sign and it will be there. And then going back to the background, go to layer, media, and then import your character. Make sure the picture is PNG so the background is transparent. It looks like this. And then go to in animation. I like the pop, it looks really smooth. You can make it as slow or fast as you like. Then you go to overall animation. For this I like to use drifting. It has this little wiggly thing, makes it look really nice. And then for the out animation I'm using the scale down, and this overall motion looks really good. Let's play around, let's stretch it out. Okay, and then I go to media again, and then I find my first transition. Again, make sure you start at the beginning, and that is my first transition. Stretch it out. If I go here, you can see there's some green. To remove the green, you need to click on the layer, scroll down, and find chroma key, enable it, and make sure your key color is green. This will remove the green and only leave the pink stuff. It looks really good. And then now make sure that when you're importing your next files, the place where your timestamp is, in my case at 3 seconds, is where it's going to be imported, and there's no way to move it. I have no idea how many times I had to repeat this tutorial just for that mistake I kept on doing. So I go to layer, media, and I find another one I want to use. Let's see this one. Liquid number 7. Do I like this one? No. Liquid number 15. This is the one I want to use. Yep, you can preview this. And to add it, click the plus sign. Again, stretch it out. And then remove the green. Go to chroma key, enable. See, here's already green. Again, we need to add another animation. At least I would like to add one. Going back to media, to my folder. And this is liquid number 15 again. We don't want this. Liquid number 7. Let me preview this. Yep, that's the one I want. Looks like gum. So click the plus sign. And here it is. Again, stretch it out. Stretch it out. And then make sure to remove the green. Chroma key, enable. And there you have it. Now let's clean it up a bit. Just make sure everything ends at the same time. Keep in mind that your background is like your main layer. So when it ends, your whole video ends. So where this ends is where your actual video ends. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a dark green at the end. You can do this to see only your layers. Actually, I haven't previewed this. Let's preview. Let's preview this whole thing. It looks really good. I'm surprised. It looks really good. I love it. I absolutely love this. So yeah, after you do that, I suggest putting some text. So we go to layer, text, and in my case I'm gonna put Alexis Ran because that's who it is. But you can put your own username, obviously. So text starts about here. I would like it to start a bit earlier. Did I mess up again? Yes, I did. See, I'm telling you, how many times do I have to redo this tutorial just because I started in the wrong pace? Okay, let's make the new text. Layer, text, Alexis Ran. And yep, there it is. And let's customize the text. So here, change the font. I really like this dancing script, but you can use anything you want, of course. And let's customize a bit more. Let's make it bigger. And I really don't like this shadow, so I'm gonna remove it. So now let's put some animations. For this, I like keep it simple. For the in animation, oh god, for the in animation, just a fade. And then for the out animation, just a fade. Because there's already so much visual stuff that we don't need to overload it with even more stuff. So let's move this to the beginning and let's preview it. So one thing I don't like is how slow everything is. So I'm gonna go here to my layers and I'm gonna move around some stuff. So this needs to go. I guess you can't see. I swear to god, this tutorial had to redo it so many times. I guess it just doesn't want to move. Let me watch it one more time. I mean, you know what? It's good enough. It's good enough. I'm not gonna record this again. I've done this 20 times. The files were broken. Everything was broken. I don't want to do it. It's good enough. It's good enough. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, hold up. Let me just show you how to put some stickers and stuff. I hope I don't mess this one up. So let's put like a little candy. I like candies. Let's put this little candy thing. Did I mess up the timing again? Jesus, I'm never gonna learn. I'm not a mobile person. I'm a computer person. I'm sorry. Let's go back. All right, make sure the timing is correct. Okay, you go to layer, overlay, classic stickers, and then candy. And that's where our candy is. Some transitions. It pops in. I think pop is really cute. And then for the out, I like scale down again. You know, just again for consistency purposes. Let's move this to the side. Let's put another one. Look really cute. Let's put another sticker. Let's go here. I really like, which one do I like? I like this hat. Let's put the hat. So let's put the hat in the other corner. And let's put the same transitions. Should I make the same transitions? Yeah, let's make the same transitions. So pop. And then fade out, or no, scale down. And I think we're done. Jesus Christ, I had to record this 10 times, but I think we're done. Alright, just a little bit of modification. I'm gonna shorten the lifespan of those, duration, and I'm gonna move them around a bit. So here it is. I mean, I think it's good enough. Let's just preview it one more time. Just make sure everything's right, and then I'll export it. Export. Good. It's really good. I absolutely love it. I love it. All right, and we're done. It's honestly that easy. So we go here, and then save video to gallery. Here it's gonna ask you if you want to remove the watermark. I mean, I'm a free person. I assume you are too, because otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. But if you want to pay $5, I mean, feel free to do so. It's a good software. Not sponsored. It's a good thing. It's a good app. But for me, no thanks. Save with watermark. And here I would suggest the highest quality possible. Always go for the highest quality, because why not? And now it's exporting, and it's lovely. I hope this thing is recording, otherwise... Okay, thank goodness it's recording, otherwise I would have a heart attack. I swear when I say I had to record this 10 times, and the first 2 times actually turned out really good, but the the files were corrupted, so I can't even edit this on my normal software. So I had to do everything in one go, and it was horrible. Let's watch. So yeah, that's it. You're done. So as you can see, I didn't teach you how to make the character, which I'll do after a couple of days. Actually, I've tried making it on the phone. It's really hard. It's not worth it. Don't do it on the phone. I will teach you how to do it on a computer, so it's kind of cheap. I mean, almost free. I'll try. But you can't make a good product on your phone. You can't draw on your phone with your fingers. It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's not gonna happen. But I will make a tutorial about that for all the transitions you saw in this video. I will post the link to everything, because everything is made by me, so you can use it. It's free. I don't charge people. Otherwise, why would I be doing this? Yeah. Again, if you found this helpful, please subscribe, cause why not? I make cool stuff. Free stuff. Who doesn't like free stuff? And thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.